now have a permanent testing facility at the Nürburgring.
Where they should have a permanent testing facility is between the two mini roundabouts in Chipping Norton, where I live, because that is the bumpiest stretch of road in the known universe. And it's been dug up again by that, what's that construction company called that you can't pronounce? Chlamydia. They're not chlamydia. Clancy, whatever it's called.
I don't know what you mean.
So it'll just be intolerable in a car like that.
So hang on, let me just get this straight. You're saying that Jaguar should tailor their cars to the Chipping Norton set?
Yes.
Well, what's the point of that? Aren't they all going to be in prison next week?
Thank you, James. Nice to know that my friends can count on you for your support. Now, though, it is time to find how fast the Nissan goes round our track, and that, of course, means handing it over to our tame racing driver. Some say that he once hacked into his own helmet and that he thinks Harper 7 is a convicted terrorist cell. All we know is he's called the Stig. And he's off. Tiny chirp from the back tyres, then a crisp, smooth slingshot up to the first corner like a precise Japanese missile. Turns in, predictably tidy all the way through, and still tidy on the way out. Stig enjoying Rock the Casbah in Algerian there. Wow. Right, another laser-guided line through Chicago. Hammerhead, the one place where the Nissan's four-wheel drive might bring understeer. Not a chance. Tiny drift toward the exit, then through. Cleaner than James's tool bench. Just kisses 7,000 RPM, then up a gear, fires it into the follow-through.